Hey everybody, so I finally have a little bit of time to do what's in my case for school. So of course this is the carry bag and my suitcase at the bottom. And maybe Monday, we don't have school Monday, which is Labor Day. So I'm gonna take some of these stuff out because I really don't need all these things. And of course I'm running short on memory, so we have to run through this. Plus I have a client in the next 20 minutes, so I have to get all this done and put back up for my client comes. So in the travel bag, I have my portable pen drill. It's really silent. And this is a 30. Let me see. This is 30. Yes, 30. 30,000 RPMs. And don't worry, I do have the little thing at the end so that, it has a bit in it. Then I have some, I hope y'all can see, I hope the glare isn't too bad. Some sanding bands, and I have this Born Pretty rhinestone glue, which I don't like it when I'm doing it, but I still keep it in there. But of course, y'all know I love this rhinestone glue right here. A dapping dish, my holder for my drill, of course. Another dapping dish, charger, and my cord should be inside my bag for my drill. And then I also have when I put in my portable battery chargers. Excuse me. These are some nail art gel liners. These are the colors. I wanted to make a little swatch thing of the colors, so I just did it with the number that it correlates with on the bottle. This is something our teacher gave us, which is we're supposed to be using that to learn how to do backfills for French. Buffers. Some bits. Hopefully y'all guys can see that. Like I said, we in a rush. We gotta kind of rush. I have two buffing blocks, which I already showed you guys. Some little trash can things. I'm glad I got these because we actually have to change our own trash cans or whatever. And of course, you guys already saw these where I bought these off of Temu. I think this was the Temu AliExpress, one of the two. And these are for pedicures, which we really don't need them because we use the ones in our dispensary at school. The little portable light, which I don't need this either, but I'm just going to take it just in case I do one of my classmate nails or something like that, which we're going to start doing each other's hands next week. Then a cuticle pen, I have to take this out because we cannot use these. In our state, we can't use them. And these are the 80 grit files that you guys saw me get. They go with this little steel piece right here, so they're peel and stick. Next thing that's in here is some table towelettes. Not table towelettes, these are the towelettes. My table towelettes are actually in the car. I leave them in there because they don't fit in my box or my bag. So until they fit in there, they're going to stay in there. A manicure bowl. This little polish holder. These brushes, because in our state we cannot use the natural hair or the what is it called? The little fluffy brushes. We can't use those. We have to use these. These are some rings, which I'm probably going to take all this out because I really don't need it. Then there's some more bits, of course, in this little container. And then I have my lotion, citrus lotion, grapefruit lotion rather, unopened, and some what is it called? Tabletop dental bibs rather. All right, so that's all that's in there. I'll close that up as soon as I finish because I'm running out of time and I'm trying to move fast. All right, so let's go to the bottom of this first. Hopefully you guys can see. This one, be having a hard time because I got it packed up with stuff. I don't even know if you guys can see. Can you guys see? Let's see if I can bring you down. Hold on real quick. Okay, so I have the holder for my silicone hand, which of course we were drilling off some stuff in school or whatever. And I kind of don't want to take my silicone hand back to school because it kind of got messed up. what is it? Starts with a P, but it's for your colors and stuff like that. Some Band-Aid for my clients, but we don't need that in school. Brushes like this I have to take out because this is what I'm talking about. We can't use this. We have to use the other brushes. These right here. You have to use these. We can't use these, so that might as well just come on out of there. Q-tips, can't use Q-tips either, but she said we can use it to clean up nail polish, but we're really not supposed to use it. These these locks? I haven't used them. Y'all saw when I purchased these, so I'm just gonna put this to the side because I haven't used it either. Silk wraps and fiber builder. We need this for school, so I'm gonna keep that in there. These little fingers, this little finger right here, she has these. My teacher has these, but we haven't used them. But I'm still gonna keep it in there just in case. This little piece is to actually hold this, but I'm thinking about taking my silicone hand out and just using the this one right here. You guys know I have 4 of these. The other ones are over there, so I just took this one with me to school. Y'all can see it's all ate up when I first started doing nails, so I might just take this one. My Young Yale set of buffers and files. This is what came with my Morvan kit. That's files, toe separators, a brush, cuticle pusher. This is a buffing block as well. Another buffing block. And the fingers, of course. We already showed those. All right. Some of these are coming out there too. I don't know which ones yet, but we're gonna get them out. And of course, can't use this. Might as well take it out. Another file. Some art brushes. More art. Well, these are the liner ones. Polish brushes, art brushes with the dotting tools at the bottom, and these are the acrylic brushes that I bought, and this is my jewel picker. All right, some UV gel cleaner. Really don't need this. All you can use is alcohol if you want versus carrying that, but I just went ahead and put it in there anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and close that. Oh, with these in there. Probably gonna take my silicone one out and just keep that in there. Now let's bring y'all back up to the top. Maybe I don't have to bring you back up to the top. It might be a good angle for it right here as well. All right, can y'all guys see? Let me bring a little bit closer. All right, so in here, some jewels. I have some, the designer little jewels. I think we already did that on camera on what I bought. And some diamonds, some bigger jewels, some holographic powder. Y'all saw when I got that. Y'all also saw when I got this with Morvan kit. And my clippers came in. So I put 2 of them in here. Y'all saw these ABC ones years ago. These are my Model 1 polishes. Y'all know I bought a 24 pack, and I think I have a review on my channel of it. So that's those right there. That's on here, on that side. It's open. And of course, the polishes I bought. Remember, this is the 36 pack. The 24 pack is still unopened, still over there. Come on, over, slide over, slide over. Okay. And then I have my little stamper right here. Don't hurt nobody to have a little stamper in there when you're doing designs. Y'all remember the mat we bought? Y'all remember that? I'm trying to hurry up now because I'm running low on time. My Barbasol container, she said we really don't have to use these because our implements have to be covered. And of course, the implement is way bigger than this right here. So I may have to take this out. Bought another little lamp, curing lamp, which is there. This is my bigger curing lamp from Morvan, which y'all know I have like so many lamps, but I bought the new one with me. Then these are my pedicure stone, pedicure things, y'all. I'm getting tired and I'm trying to rush. My lint-free wipes, which, we don't need a lot. We got some in the dispensary. Here's some more jewels and diamonds and stuff like that in there. These are the little flowers. Some more, little bazzazzle or whatever. This is the cutter. Nail cutter, y'all know the size down. Really don't need it. I prefer things All right, and my Young Nails nail tips, bought those. My Mia Secret Clear Powder, which she prefers us to use Tammy Taylor. We already discussed Tammy Taylor, why I don't like it, which I may go ahead and just get another thing of clear and another thing of pink just to be, you know, apart. But when we're doing clients in school, we will be using the stuff in the dispensary. And I think we already went over this Nippers bag, which has all the utensils in it. And then my other brush, Old Faithful, size 12, which I work with a lot. But I like my size 20 at my desk when I'm doing longer nails. Here are some foams, some more nail tips, my alcohol. Everything has to be labeled, of course. Monomer, more monomer, in case I have to fill up again. Cuticle oil, Young Nails Cover Pink, Young Nails Cover White, Young Nails Cover Clear, so a speed clear, acetone, and this polish. Cuticle remover, y'all saw when I got that. Exfoliating scrub, y'all saw when I got that. Other things, let's move some of this stuff because I gotta hurry up, you guys. Polishes. These are the same colors, but one is lacquer and one is gel polish. Foil gel, don't need that. Protein Bond, some little color, and of course my red one that we have to have, and then this little burgundy one. Young Nails brush on glue, another little lacquer. I just put them in there. Found a base coat, top coat from Beetles, Morvan matte top coat, Morvan top coat and base coat. We had that in the kit. Y'all saw me already went through that. This is a regular top coat. These right here are the Builder nail gels from Morvan. Y'all already saw those. I have, I think, 4 of them in here. Yep, the 4 colors. And then here is my 5-in-1 gel. So that is all that is in here, guys. And I'm finishing just in time because my camera is about to shut off. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. So stay tuned.